everybody, it's me, Roxy, and today we're going to be learning about STEM. Now, STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. We are learning about science, and the specific thing we're learning about is photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their own food using the sun's light. We are going to be doing a craft/experiment and learning how to grow little green bean seeds. But before that, we're going to learn how photosynthesis happens. Like I said before, photosynthesis is how plants make their own food using sunlight. We need photosynthesis to breathe clean air on Earth. You see, after we breathe in oxygen, it comes out as another gas named carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and turn it into clean oxygen that we can breathe. The process of photosynthesis is when little tiny things called cells have even tinier structures called chloroplast inside of them. These cells are located on the leaves of plants, and in each chloroplast there is a green chemical called chlorophyll. This is where the magic happens. The chlorophyll absorbs the sun's energy, and this energy splits water molecules, or just little itty-bitty tiny droplets of water, into two different gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Now, the oxygen we get to breathe in, and the hydrogen is the food that the plants make. So hydrogen can be turned into glucose, and that is what plants eat. And well, now that we know how photosynthesis works and what it is, let's move on to growing our plants. Okay, so for our experiment, we're going to need a plastic bag, some cotton balls, and some beans, of course. We're also going to need a little squirt bottle or just any type of water that's okay for watering plants. So first, we're going to start off by putting in our cotton balls, and just lay them on the bottom. I'm gonna need a few more. So just lay them on the bottom of your little bag, and then kind of spread them out a little bit. I think that's enough. Now, after you've got them kind of laid out, you're just going to grab your squirt bottle and spray the inside so that the cotton balls are damp. Make sure that they're pretty doused in water. Honestly, could use a bit more, because this is where the plant is gonna get its water. Of course, if yours gets kind of dry, then just spray a little bit more in there. Okay, now that it's all moist and has its water in there, we're just gonna grab a few beans. I'm gonna just grab a little pinch. I'll do 4 beans. Then you just pop the beans in the bag and kind of just lay them in there, kind of facing on one side, because we're going to tape it to our little window so that it can get sunlight. But it's winter time, so you can't really place them outside because plants don't usually do very good in the cold. There are some plants that do good in the cold. Okay, now after you've gotten that, you're just going to zip up the sides, just like that, and then leave some air hole room so that they can breathe, because they do need oxygen. And then after that, you're just gonna grab some tape. And put some tape on the sides, and then you're just gonna pop it on your window. I'll show you a picture of what mine looked like on my window, and after that, you're all done. All you have to do is watch it over the couple of like days. It'll take like a week for them to sprout, but it's really worth it because it's super cool to watch them. And I'll show you my bean sprout growing. Here's my bean sprout after I have planted it. There's the little beans part, and then here's a leaf coming out. Pretty snazzy. All right, let's look at the pictures. Welcome back. I hope you had a lovely time watching those photos and learning how to grow a plant in a little bag. Actually, sprout a plant in a little bag. You must plant it in soil afterwards. But there's my little plant. I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's raining outside as well. Anyways, I hope you learned what photosynthesis is, and I hope you guys had a superb day. Bye!